Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, June 27, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, June 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong June 27, 2024, Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, June 27, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 6.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 87.5 million pesos for June 27, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, June 27, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.